How to retake a quiz in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to retake a quiz that you have did, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, tap on to explore button at the bottom, select it. Now simply choose one subject. Just like this. Now choose the grade of the subject like this and simply choose one lesson like this. Now scroll on till the end and here you can find quiz right here. Then tap on to start. Tap on to let's go. Now from here you can simply do the quiz. Now here you can find the question, what number is shown in the 10 grades below. Now simply type the answer just like this and tap on to check. And tap on to next question. Now give the answer of this question just like this and check. And now you want to redo it, simply tap on to this arrow button right here, select it. Then tap on to keep going. And now you can see you have simply redone it. Now simply choose the right answer for this quiz just like this. Tap on to check. And that's it. This is how you can retake a quiz in Khan Academy. Now do the same process for other quizzes as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.